This video will detail the installation of the Fishbone Off-Road front tube fenders for the 1997 to 2006 TJ Wrangler. Step 1. Remove your OEM equipment. Start your installation by disconnecting your turn signals and securing all wiring out of the way. Remove your OEM or aftermarket fender flares at this time. Step 2. Trim your fender. Align the template with the top of your fender. Trace the template with a marker to make a cut line. Ensure all wires, cables, or any other obstructions are free from the cut area. Starting at the grill side of the fender, begin cutting using a reciprocating saw or cut-off wheel. Follow the marked cutting line to the firewall. Ensure you leave a lip on the inner fender when cutting. It may be easier to remove your fender in sections by cutting it into multiple pieces. Remove the bolts that hold your front fender to the grill. Retain these as they will be used to secure your new fenders. Mark a straight line up the inner back portion of your fender. This should be 1 inch from the outside edge of the factory fender. Again, ensuring there are no obstructions, cut along this line. Unbolt the 4 bolts holding the back of the fender to the body and the 4 bolts on the lower inner fender. Keep these bolts for later use. Remove the pieces you've cut away. You should now only have the inner fender remaining. Step 3. Install your new fenders. Place your new fender into position. Using the OEM bolts, loosely attach the front of the fender to your grill. Now loosely attach the rear of the fender to the OEM bolt locations on the body tub. Using the factory hardware, attach the lower inner fender to your new fender. Once clearances have been checked and you're good with the fit, tighten the hardware on the front and rear of the fender. Using the OEM fender as a guide, drill holes up through the fender for your hood latches. You may want to touch up these holes with paint to prevent rust. Reinstall your hood latches and rubber stops. As you can see, we saw this as a great opportunity to upgrade our hood latches to a set of Kentrol hood latches. Using a 1/4 inch drill bit, drill through the holes in the top of the fender to secure it to the OEM fender lip. Once again, you may want to touch up these holes with paint to prevent rust. Use the supplied hardware to secure this in place. Repeat this process on the opposite side of the Jeep, and you're done. Installation is complete. You're ready to enjoy your new Fishbone Off-Road front tube fenders for the TJ Wrangler.
Fishbone Off-Road.